Hello everyone. Now today I will be guiding you how to use the Clear Scanner app for scanning and converting the images or book pages into PDF. So let us start. First of all, you have to install this app, Clear Scanner. As you can see over here, in my phone, the 8th app, Clear Scanner. In second row, 4th app. So just install this app, Clear Scanner. Then after installing this app, just click on it. Now here you will get this page. You have to see the two options given at the bottom, this camera one and the gallery one. So for scanning, you have to click on the camera button. Click on it. Now it will turn on the camera and you will see this option over here, this folded page, which is given at the bottom right. So this page is meant for, like, suppose when you want to scan 2 to 3 pages or more than one pages, then we can click it and it will show you multiple pages option. If you want to scan only one page, then you can click it only once and then it will show you a single page. If you want to do the setting, then you can click here and do the setting and all. Suppose you don't want a very clear or high resolution, then you can choose this last option, 1920 into 1080. Then suppose now I will be showing you how to scan 2 to 3 pages. So I will click this multiple pages option. Now I will start scanning. You simply have to click this button which is given at the center. So I will start now. 1. You don't have to click anywhere. You simply have to click on this circle given in the center. Then I will move to the second page here. This is my second page. Again I will click on this circle. Now third page. Again I will click on this circle. So here I have scanned 3 pages. Now after the 3 pages, you can click this right button given over here. You can click this right button. Now it will ask you whether you want a black and white or the colored document. So you can choose either from here. I will be choosing color. Then I will click on OK button. Now it will ask you to adjust the page. You can see this green rectangle. So what you can do, you have to just adjust it accordingly, according to the page. You just have to adjust it from all the 4 sides. You can adjust it this way. The first one is done. Now I will be moving to the second one. This is the second one. It is already adjusted. Sometimes the application itself adjusts the pages. This is the third one. So here I have to adjust. So I will move it with my finger. Now all the 3 pages are adjusted. Now again I will click on the right button. It's processing. Now my PDF is ready. Now I can share it. Click on the PDF. You can see the PDF. Again I will show you here on the top right corner, PDF option is given. Just click on it. You can see the PDF. All the 3 pages are here, scanned and compiled together. Now what you can do, you can share it. Either you can send it to your own mail ID or you can WhatsApp it to your number or to your friends. So that's it. Thank you.